Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Vivo V23 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So to start off, just open up the keyboard anywhere. I'll use the Google search bar for it, and here look for this very icon which stands for the clipboard of your device. And here all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch, and after that the clipboard for the keyboard is successfully activated and can be used from now on. So for example, I'll type in car, select it, copy, and once you go for the clipboard, as you can see, the car entry has successfully appeared in here. And now you can just paste it from here or delete it if you feel like there is no longer need in this particular clipboard element. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.